where silent roses learn to bloom. No holy light has touched my skin. The night has always let me in. The castle walls still speak my name. They watch the centuries the same. Every king became the dust. Every promise turned to rust. Don't pray for mercy. Don't look away. Your fate was written yesterday. Bow before the crimson throne. No heart survives when mine is stone. One last kiss, one last breath. Love is just another death. Dance with shadows, lose the dawn. By tomorrow you'll be gone. Call me monster, call me queen. I'm the darkest dream you've seen. Candles flicker, voices fade. Every soul has debts to pay. Diamond tears and velvet lies I see forever in your eyes. The ravens sing, the wolves all kneel. Immortal hunger never heals. If heaven calls, I will not hear. Only silence lives here. I don't fear the morning sky. I only fear the day you'll die. So stay beside me endlessly. A beautiful eternity. Bow before the crimson throne. Every sinner finds my home. Drink the night, forget the sun. Your forever has begun. No salvation left to find. Leave your mortal world behind. Call me monster, call me queen. I am all you fear to When the last star leaves the sky, only legends never die. You walked into my endless night like broken glass made into light. I shouldn't touch, I shouldn't stay, but I forgot to walk away. Your heartbeat was a fragile song. I knew it wouldn't last for long, but every second by eternity. They crown me with a halo made of fading light, then watch the heavens disappear into the night. I never beg to rule the endless sky above. I only chose a path they could not name as love. Silver feathers falling like forgotten snow. Every star remembers things they'll never know. The wind still speaks my ancient hidden name, though time has tried to wash away the flame. Mercy is a weakness, let it be mine. If silence is a kingdom, I will reign in time. I am the light beneath the eclipse, the whispered truth on forgotten lips. No throne can hold what can't be chained. No soul is lost, only where constellations sleep. I got the promises the stars still keep. No crown of gold, no sword of flame, only echoes calling out my name. The moon became my only guide, the endless dark my faithful tide. I learned that even broken skies can hide the brightest sunrise. Every feather tells a story, not of sorrow, not of glory, only of a heart that chose hope where no one thought it'd grow. to burn. We rose from shadows, never to return. The sky went dark, the world went still. That was the night we learned to kill. No God above, no light below, just endless hunger in the snow. They called us curse, they called us sin, but we were born from what's within. When daylight died, we came alive. We are the children of the eclipse, written in darkness, sealed in myth. No dawn can take what we became. We are the night without a name, eternal blood, eternal flame. The world forgot, but we remain. Born from shadow, bound to rise, forever lost in moonlit skies. I ride where broken thunder sleeps, across the skies and shattered peaks, where fallen heroes lose their name. I gather sparks of dying flame, steel and silence follow me through endless skies and memory. Every battle I have known becomes a shadow of my own. They pray for mercy, call my name, but I am not the one to blame. I am the Valkyrie of fading light, choosing souls beneath the night. Neither God nor mortal chained, only echoes I remain. Wings of iron, heart of stone, I carry what the war has sown. In every scream, in every fall, I hear the silence after all. The heavens crack with silent cries, reflected in my silver eyes. I do not choose the weak or strong, only where the lost belong. The fields are red, the sky is torn, another legend being born. I do not mourn what I collect, only what the world forgets. No crown of peace, no blade of rest, only war inside my chest. I am the Valkyrie of fate. life's a fleeting dream, then I am what remains between. Not heaven's hand, not hell's desire, but something carved from endless fire. I do not say, I do not kill, dissolves in red. Every promise ends up dead. They wear the cross, we wear the bite, but both of us survive the night. No hero here, no final truth, just endless war in endless youth. Shattered crowns and broken men. The world forgot my ancient name, but I remember every flame. Castles crumble, kingdoms fall, but I still hear the night birds call. They bury show what I have been. 1,000 lives beneath my skin. Each heartbeat is a stolen year. Each whisper feeds what I hold dear. The stars obey, the moon bends low. Wherever I go, shadows grow. Not love, not death can chain my will. I am the silence standing still. They built their gods to fear my name, but I remember just the same. I am the crimson empress crowned in red, with every soul I've ever fed. No dawn will ever take my throne. I rule the dark, I rule alone. I drink the night, ooh, I keep the past. Ooh, no mortal light was built to last. Call me cursed, call me divine. I am the ending of your time. If I was human, I don't know when the line was lost to blood, and then I learned that pain can build a crown and make the heavens look down. I am the crimson empress, endless night, born from sorrow, carved from light. No beginning, no decay, only shadows obey. I drink the night, I wear the pain, and I will rise when dusk remains. Call me legend, call me fear. I have always been right here. When the world forgets the sun, I will remember. There was a kingdom no one speaks, where golden towers touch the peaks. Now only shadows walk its halls, and silence answers every call. The banners burned, the roses died, yet something lingers deep inside. A name the wind refuses to forget, a debt the world has not paid yet. They say it fell, they say it's gone, but I still hear it calling on. I am the last who remembers this place, a fading crown, a ghost of grace. The cursed kingdom sleeps in me, in broken gold and memory. No one returns, no one believes, but I still wear its ancient grief. They bury it to the dead wood. They moved on like it was never real, but I still know the way it feels. I am the last who remembers this place, a kingdom lost without a trace. The cursed crown I cannot leave, it breathes inside my every dream. No one returns, no one believes, but I still wear its ancient grief. They buried it beneath the stone, but I was never left alone. If memory is a curse to bear, then let it choke the empty air. For even ruins speak my name, and nothing here has truly changed. I am the echo, I am the flame, the only one who knows this name. I am the last who remembers this place, a kingdom lost in time and space. And though the world has turned away, I live inside what they betrayed. No one returns, no one believes, but I still wear its ancient grief. The cursed kingdom never dies, it only sleeps behind my eyes. And when I close my eyes at night, I am home again. They burned my name into the night, tried to erase me from the light. 1,000 lies, a final scream, but I still live inside their dream. They sealed the gates, they broke the crown, they tried to drag my story down, but every death they gave to me only fed my eternity. They thought the end would set them free, but death forgot what I could be. They didn't kill their queen, they just made her eternal. It made me something it can't bend. I am the silence after war, the thing they can't escape anymore. They didn't kill their queen, they just made her bows to me, and time itself feels infernal. No mercy left, no place to flee, only what they made of me. They didn't kill their queen, they just made her eternal. And in the end, when all is gone, I am still the one who's on. Before, with foreign names carved in my core. Every heartbeat feels like pain, like I've been here once again. I touch my skin, it starts to speak of kingdoms lost and promises weak. The mirror shows 1,000 eyes, all versions of my own disguise. And I don't know who I was, but my blood remembers all, because it's memory and blood, it never fades. Every life returns in waves. I carry ghosts beneath my skin of every place I've ever been. I try to run, I try to hide, but time stitched into my mind. I am the past, I am the flood, I am memory in blood. I've loved and lost in different wars, behind 1,000 ancient doors. Every scar I try to heal opens truths I shouldn't feel. A child, a queen, a fallen name, all burning softly in the same. No beginning, no final end, just cycles I cannot transcend. And every dream I try to trust turns into echoes made of dust. It's memory and blood, it never dies. It lives beneath a million lies. I close my eyes, but still I see the lives that once belonged to me. I try to run, I try to hide, but time is bleeding from inside. I am the past, I am the flood, I am memory in blood. If I am many, if I am none, then who am I when night is done? Am I the scar, or am I the cure, or just a soul that won't be pure? Every drop remembers more than any They bowed to me, they feared my name. Now they whisper, I brought the flame. I rule the dark, I rule the pain. I wore the storm like crimson rain. But someone close, someone I trusted, turned my empire into dust. Now I hear the walls collapse. My eternity won't last, but I still stand on throne of ashes, burning bright as the world crashes. You can break what I became, but you can't erase my name. I am the end you try to write, a queen still bleeding into night. Even if my crown is gone, I was the storm all along. Let the kingdom fall apart. I'll carve power from my heart. From ashes I will rise again and haunt the blood of every friend. There is a church that none can find, where broken angels lose their mind. No holy light, no sacred sound, just whispered sins that echoes a shattered sun, a story of what we've undone. Each prayer becomes another scar. Each hope is buried where we are. The priest is gone, the God is blind. No salvation left to find. Only echoes in the stone of every soul I've ever known. And every step I take inside feels like I've died 1,000 lives. In the midnight church we fall, no saviors left to hear the call. We are the saints, we are the sin, the dark that lives beneath the skin. In the midnight church we stay, forever lost, forever gray. No beginning, no goodbye, just eternity passing by. If God was here, he turned away and left us here to drift and stay. So I became the prayer, the flame, and whispered back my own name. I met you where the silence breathes, beneath the sky that never leaves. You were warm like stolen light. I was born to endless night. You didn't run, you didn't fear, just traced my shadow coming near. And for a moment I forgot what I am and what I'm not. But time bends when you say my name, like even death forgets its flame. I shouldn't stay, I shouldn't fall, but you make me feel it all. Even eternity ends in your eyes. I lose forever every time you cry. If I'm a monster, let me be kind. Just let me stay in your light one last time. Even eternity breaks when you're near. 1,000 years turn fragile here. I was immortal until I met you. Now I don't know what I'll do. Your heartbeat is a loaded prayer, calling demons through the air. I taste your name in every breath, a sweeter curse than even death. I hide my teeth, I hide my thirst, but loving you is still the worst. Because the more I try to leave, the more you're everything I need. you.